particularly now in Maharashtra as well, what the situation stands. It's the worst impacted state with coronavirus. Now, as cases in Mumbai are doubling at a fast pace, civic body BMC has launched a rapid action plan in northern suburbs of Mumbai. Under this action plan, door-to-door survey is going to be conducted in containment zones. 50 ambulances will visit the high-risk localities for swab testing. The rapid action plan is being launched in Mumbai's Zone 7 that consists of 3 administrative wards in Borivali and the Hisar areas. A partial lockdown will be imposed in these areas. In Santosh Nagar, a full lockdown has been approved by BMC given the high number of cases out there. In Mumbai's Zone 7, 939 buildings have been sealed and 113 slum areas have been declared containment zones. Maharashtra continues to remain the worst impacted state with coronavirus. 3,870 new COVID-19 cases in just 24 hours itself, taking the overall number of cases to over 1.3 lakh in Maharashtra. 1,159 new cases and 41 deaths were reported in the financial capital alone. Mustafa Sheikh is now joining us for the very latest. Mustafa, too many questions coming up. One is in North Mumbai, what is the situation at the moment? Does this mean that situation in South Mumbai is much better than North Mumbai? Also, in terms of the availability of beds, are beds now easily available? Because the last we checked, there was a shortage of beds as well. But the ground reality is something you should highlight at the moment.
Well, Chaiti, there are two emerging trends from Mumbai. Once the slum cases were controlled, the cases in high-rising buildings and residential areas are increasing. That is due to the movement of people going to their workplaces and maid servants coming in their buildings. The second important thing is there are certain areas which have shown sudden increase due to these reasons, which are Dahisar, Borivali, for which the rapid action plan has been launched by the BMC and the ambulances, moving ambulances have been brought in place. The second thing, if we talk about the beds, there is a bed availability in Mumbai which is increasing. For example, the ICU bed, which remains the most critical thing in fighting COVID-19, there was only 99% occupancy earlier, but now around 70 ICU beds are available, and Mumbai is going to add many more beds. But the point remains is that till the time cases and the deaths stop, we can't really say that the peak has gone for Mumbai, and coming monsoon, there will be other non-COVID diseases which will be taking place. So it remains a critical situation for Mumbai, where it's unlocking and the rising number of cases are going parallelly, and we'll have to see how it goes, whether BMC efforts yield some fruits in the coming days. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa Sheikh getting us those details right there from Mumbai, talking about how Mumbai is combating the coronavirus crisis as well. Mustafa, one more thing that comes to mind is that all these high rises that are seeing a spike in the number of cases. All right, I'll come back to it in just about a bit, but we've got a big breaking.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.